Check the humidity levels on the graph.
It's stable at 14%. Adjust the steam pressure slightly.
The transfer begins as the tobacco is pulled into the rod-forming machine. High-speed compression creates continuous
Europe shipment ready for loading.
Bring the Middle East pallet forward.
Lift it up. Keep coming straight inside. All right, lower it slowly now and pull back.
Okay, bring it up slow. Clear the stack. Now swing right over the trailer. Lowering, easy now. Stop.
Checks complete. You are clear to proceed to the highway.
Okay, forks in. Nice and easy now. Bring it up slowly. We'll guide you out.
Efficiency is key. With digital checklists and precise climate control, this facility manages a massive inventory in real time.
Are you all set, sir?
Yes, I am.
All right, your total is $11.50.
All right, transaction complete. Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Adjusted. Look at the trajectory on this graph. Our global sales are exceeding expectations.
Yes, this route. Yes, the data from the new market.
The primary focus today is optimizing our production machine. The new strategy, detailed on screen,
Anomaly detected. Feeder mechanism requires immediate maintenance.
Scan on the main sensor is good. Confirmed. Panel indicators are all green.
You see this line here, that was the critical change we made back in '72. It improved efficiency by almost 20%.
The power curve is stabilizing right on target.
The energy transfer rate matches the simulation models.
We are ready for phase 2 testing.
an industry that never sleeps.